In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a custom font on Mailchimp. This process is straightforward and should take around 5 minutes, so let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll need to log into your Mailchimp account. Head over to the Mailchimp website and enter your credentials to access your dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main page. From there, we'll move on to the important part, customizing your content. Now over on the left hand side you'll see a menu. We need to navigate to the section simply labelled as content. Click on that and it should take you to a new screen where you can manage everything content related for your campaigns. Once you're in the content area, we'll make our way to a place called the brand kit. This is where you organise and customise your brand materials. Look for the brand kit option in the menu and give it a click. You should find it neatly tucked under the content area options. Within the brand kit, you'll find various customization options. Our focus today is on fonts, so you want to specifically look for the section concerning fonts. Navigate over to that area with ease. This will open up a new set of options for you. Now, it's time for the fun part, selecting your custom font. Here, you're presented with two options. You have the option to search for existing custom fonts, or if you have a specific font file, you can upload it directly. The latter is particularly useful if you have a specific aesthetic or branding look in mind that you want to match. After you upload or select your desired custom fonts, you need to save those changes to ensure everything is updated. Make sure you confirm everything looks good by checking your selected fonts and then hit save. Now that your fonts are set up, it's time to create an email campaign. Go to your campaign options and start a new email campaign. At this stage, you can start designing your email, so take a moment to think about your layout and the message you want to convey. Within your email design, you'll add a text block to your template. This is where the magic happens. When you place a text block within your design, you'll have the option to choose the custom font you saved earlier. Select your desired font to apply it to your text. Voila! You've not only added a custom font to Mailchimp, but also successfully integrated it into your campaign design. Remember, custom fonts can really make your emails stand out and keep them in line with your brand's personality. Feel free to experiment with different fonts and styles to see what works best for your audience. And there you have it, a quick and simple way to add a custom font on Mailchimp. Happy designing!